Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Well, considering I've successfully recorded fly fishing with a dry fly and taken 2 fish, a rainbow and a cutthroat, out of this hole here, I thought I'd get greedy and try for the 3rd one on a recording. The hole itself basically is on the left-hand side of that rock in the center of your screen. Let's get to this. Rainbow trout. That was a strong one. Rainbow trout. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, like I say, ladies and gentlemen, that was a small rainbow trout, but boy, that bugger had some fight to him. And anyway, here's a lesson for your younger fly fishermen, because I've been doing this stuff for 50 years. I said 50 years I've been trout fishing. I've been fly fishing that long. But when you get the right fly on, the right gear, the right leader, and you get in a good hole, and they're feeding good, a trick that I always do is I'll catch a fish and then I'll sit down and rest for 5-10 minutes like that, dry my fly off real well, which this fly I'm using right now, I've been using all morning, is getting saturated, but I'll give the hole a rest. Are you hearing me? I'll give the hole a rest. I have seen the time that I've jerked at least a dozen, if not more, trout out of one single hole. By just fishing the hole, catching one, and then resting. Let the hole rest. Get your gear prepared, do her again. Rest, do her again. Okay. Okay, very well. Like I've been saying right along in this series, I've been my stocking feet because one of my wading boots got lost. My feet are starting to get sore. Anyway, thank you very much for watching the video. Have a nice day, ladies and gentlemen.